looked at the tank, we decided to completely redesign the shape of the tank and also the size of the tank. We went from a 9.5 litre to a 13.7 litre fuel tank. This means for the everyday rider or the endurance racer, you can get more mileage before you have to stop for the next fuel station or pit stop.
To achieve such an increase in tank capacity, we had to re-evaluate the design from the previous model. On the last generation, we had the electronics package up front, so battery, main ECU, and the tank then further back between the rider's legs. But here we've reversed that. We've moved the electronics between the rider and the fuel tank up front. This allowed us to produce a wider fuel tank. So one, it's more visually impressive, but two, could also hold more fuel. This also holds more weight over the front of the motorcycle on a full tank, which improves handling.